The hidden cost of staying comfortable at your job too long. Comfort can be the most expensive trap you'll ever fall into. I learned this the hard way in my career. Subscribe now because I'm going to walk you through the real cost of staying in your safe job too long. This is the illusion of job security. Fact: over 360,000 layoffs in tech alone last year. Even government and healthcare jobs are cutting back. Here's a question for you. Do you feel secure in your job today? Really? Comfort zone equals missed opportunities. I stayed in real estate for years because it was familiar, but it really wasn't safe. Comfort keeps you from learning new skills or pivoting. What's one opportunity you've delayed because it felt scary? The real cost of comfort is lost income potential, sticking with 3% raises instead of creating your own. Lost time, years pass with nothing changing. Emotional costs equals stress, burnout, and regret. Choosing short-term discomfort creates long-term freedom. Learning digital tools felt uncomfortable at 70, but that discomfort was very temporary. Now I work a couple hours a day with automation. Yahoo! Someone that I know has replaced their job and within 6 months is earning 5 figures a month. Don't confuse comfort with safety. They're not the same thing. Comment below what's keeping you in your comfort zone the longest: fear, doubt, or habit. And check my next video where I'll show you how to start over even later in life. It's never too late. Comfort zones may keep you safe, but they also keep you small. I'm here if you have any questions all the time.